Over here, you can see that I have a document opened and I have image and text right here. But as I move the image, you can see that it actually pushes the text over here on the side. So what I want is I want the image to be above text. So for that, what I can do is I can install a plugin or an add-on. So I'm just going to go to add-on right here, and then I'm going to go to get add-on. So once I do that, there's an add-on name as image above text, just like this. So once you click on it, the add-on pops up. So I can just click on it and then the add-on gets installed. So I'm just going to click on install and click on continue right here. And then it asks me for the permission. So I'm just going to click on it and then I'm going to hit allow, just like this. So once I do that, you can see that it allows it out, and then I can hit next right here, press done, and then it just gets installed right over here. So now to get this image above text, I'm just going to select this image and then I'm going to go to add-on where I have already installed image above text right here. So now over here you can see that there's an option called please select an image above text. This is what I want. So I'm going to click on this, and what happens is that it says it's working. So it says please select an image first. Important, works on inline images only. So I need to go over here, turn it inline first. So now it'll work. So I'm going to go to add-on, I'm going to go to image right here, and then I'm going to select this now. So once you do that, now since this is an inline text, now you can see that the image is above text now, and I can move it freely anywhere. So I can go around, resize this out right over here, and then the image is covering up the text. So I can go to image option right here. If I were to go to adjustment and increase out the transparency right over here, just like this, you can see that there's the text above the, not above, but below the image right here. But as I have transparency now, you can see that I can see through it. So there's like a design going on right there. And that is how you can work around with image above text add-in inside of Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.